I'm Icy Bucket Gaming, and in this video I will be showing you how to use the Rifleman and Medic strategy. This place was pretty easy. Dr. T. Biggest weakness in this strategy are flamethrowers, machine guns, and sometimes mortars if there are a lot of mortars hitting you. And mines. Just regular mines, not the boom mines too much. Especially those flamethrowers. That's what really destroyed me right there. Those mines weren't that bad, but if they were regular level mines you'd see in a player base, a lot of my riflemen would be really low health after that. This base is pretty easy. Good thing about using the medics in this strategy, you don't really have to take out the rocket launchers. It might help sometimes if there are a bunch of machine guns or flamethrowers, but sometimes you can also shock it. I think the strategy is a little bit better than all riflemen for the higher levels. For all riflemen is pretty good too. If I used all riflemen now, I'd probably most likely use it on a game base or a Dr. T stage or imitation game. This base was semi-hard. From the right side. Really high level machine gun. There are two almost right beside each other. Couple of mortars there. Luckily there's only a building help. Masterpiece. And not a damage. And this strategy, it's pretty. Sometimes you have to use medkits. Didn't have a lot of riflemen left. I had a good number, but didn't have as. Lost about, I think, 22. Riflemen, really cheap. And that's it from there. Captain Everspark really helps too with the critters. This guy was pretty easy. Base was really rushed. Speed this up some. For Captain Everspark to get enough gunboat energy to take out that shock. Also, good thing about riflemen, there are a bunch of mines in the corner. If you flare them around that corner, they will get single fell and avoid most of the mines. They will probably hit some, but not nearly as much as any other troop. Here I didn't have to take out the boom cannons. If that shock blaster wasn't there, I probably would have. That was really easy. This place really wasn't that hard. But those flamethrowers killed my riflemen. Probably should have taken those out. Also hit some mines. There's a little bit of smoke there. Flamethrowers really killed my riflemen. That rocket launcher didn't help either. I'm gonna get some live attacks now. See if I can beat this guy. Ooh, maybe I can beat him. Easy. High level rocket launcher hasn't even built his defenses. Why not? Really like how they get single file, the riflemen do. Can't barrage twice, unfortunately. Artillery some. I could have beat this place with just Captain Everspark. Hmm. Ooh. Probably couldn't beat that with riflemen and medics. I could beat that with Hookah Hill easily. Well, that happens sometimes. I literally just... Seriously, medics. What? Lost a couple of riflemen. Don't see any statues, so no, there aren't any. So I'm keeping an eye on these riflemen. This mess wouldn't trail so far behind either. Game's lagging a little bit. Gotta stay zoomed out. Throw them back up here. Get some critters out. There you go. That was pretty easy. Oh yeah, timber takeover. Got some free diamonds. $30 free diamonds there. What is oh. Is that it? Alright. Gonna parse that twice. Oof, so close. Way back up here. I would have Captain Aerospark level 3 with her other ability by now, but had to be HQ 16 for some reason. I don't understand. That's how they made it though. Flare, flare, flare. Oh, there's another rocket over there I didn't see. It shouldn't hurt me. Phew. I've been trying to go to the machine gun. Oh, there are two of them. This is gonna take a little while. So let's speed this up for a little bit. Almost there. There we go, got it. Nope. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.